Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about how we can use pointers with array. Suppose we are asked to write a program that prints the values of array using pointers. So guys, let's get started. First of all, I have to declare an array, say marks array of length. Let's say 5 elements. Let's initialize this array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 elements. Now you have to declare a pointer. So to declare a pointer, this is static symbol and the name of the pointer. Let's say ptr. We can read it from right to left. ptr is a pointer of type integer. So read from right to left. Marks is a array of type integer. ptr is a pointer of type integer. As we know that array name contains the address of first element of array. So we can assign the array name to ptr so that it can hold the address of first element of array. So ptr is equal to our array name. So now ptr contains the address of first element of this array. Now we can simply loop through it to print all the values. Int I is equal to 0. Why 0? Because array index always start from 0. So we have to start our loop from 0 is less than 5 semicolon I plus plus, and here we will display the values using pointer. So we have to display the values, so we will use dereference operator and then name of our pointer, and we have to increment its value each time so that each time next value will be displayed. And here I have to give some space using /t is used for tab. Okay guys, let's execute this program. So it has displayed all the values, all the elements of array using pointer. What I did is I simply declared an array of length 5 and initialized it with these values. Then I have declared a ptr, a pointer of type integer, and then what I did is, as we know that the array name contains the address of first element of array, so I have assigned the array name to ptr. Now the address of first element of array is stored in this ptr, and then I am using for loop to iterate through through these elements using pointer. So I have used reference operator to print the values, and then I am incrementing the value of ptr each time for each iteration of loop so that each time the next value is displayed. What if we want to display the address of these elements instead of values elements? So we can remove this dereference operator and let's execute. Now it will display the addresses of these elements. So these are the addresses of these array elements. If we display the elements of array like this, then our pointer will be for each iteration of a loop, our pointer will be moved to the next element. Each means first time our pointer is here, our pointer is moving to this first element. For second iteration of loop, our pointer, this ptr pointer will be moving pointing to this second element. For third iteration of loop, our pointer ptr will be pointing to 30. What if we want to keep our pointer to keep pointing to first element of array? So how we can do it? We can simply do it like this. Now each element of array will be printed, but our pointer will be will always be pointing to the first element of array. So let's execute this program. So it have displayed all the elements of array, but our pointer is still pointing to the first element of array. We can also display the values without using loop like this. So dereference operator and then ptr. End of line. So this dereference operator and ptr plus 1 end of line. Similarly, cout is dereference operator, then parenthesis name of our pointer plus 2 end of line. Similarly, we can print the all elements of this array like this: ptr plus 2, ptr plus 3, ptr plus 4. So we have displayed first 3 elements of array using these 3 lines. In this way, our pointer is still pointing to first element array, but we have also printed the other elements of array. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.